kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi abantu abayizihlobo uma belalana avumi nje bayekane. Isihlobo kuthiwa simnandi. I am not promoting lokho kungcola. Ngake ngagileka mina.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona sihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
I need somebody who can mix izinsimbi zale jingle yami. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah. Story time.
Welcome to the Story Time with Z. Kindly know that the story times that are told on this channel are for entertainment purposes only. Sometimes it can be your experiences, my experiences. God, I get today I am telling my experience. Come Tuesday, it's a story time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and share your story of somebody who you met on Facebook.
Nani kuphi ngidlala intombazane izenza umngani wami. Hey, angiqale kahle futhi le ndaba. Siku Facebook. Kune group ku Facebook. Uyabona mina mekukhulunywa ngo Facebook ukuthi I vouch for Facebook ukuthi at some point in life Facebook wake walunga uFacebook. Ku Facebook I met people that we have assisted each other in life with so many good things. Siku Facebook uma siku Facebook niyabona lama group abantu besifazane. O ladies house ontontontoni ayemaningi lama group uyeke nje ukuthi I ladies house iyagcina igqama ngendlela egqama ngayo ukuthi mhlawumbe ama admin waye good I don't know kodwa bonke labantu besifazane abalapha ladies house babesuka on different groups for women and it so happened ukuthi I was on this group. Oh, this group was just an amazing group. Women there were supporting each other. Abantu beposta izinkinga, abantu bameluleke, si-advisana, sinikezana amacebo okwenza imali, sinikezana amathuba emisebenzi. I-busy group imnandi. It was a very small intimate group. I think ukukhula kwe-group ikona okwayimosha kwagcina sekungena abantu mhlambe abaningi kwasiyagcina ingasacontroleki because I think iyaphela nje ngikhumbule ngiphuma kuyona. Maybe yaphela, maybe sekhona I don't know or angisahlangana nayo or umuntu owayiqalile wayidelete. I don't know. Kodwa ke sikule group le yabantu besifazane up until siyaxoxa uyabona kuze kube khona abantu abama regular commenters uyabona nje the same thing eyenzakalayo la ku YouTube kulesi space esikusona ukuthi ugcine sowazi ukuthi hayi uma upostile khona umuntu ozokhomenta ngeke angacomment uzibanibani ngeke angabuka uzibanibani ngeke you know kumnandi kusekhaya mos kumnandi kule group and then up until at a point whereby somebody suggested ukuthi hayibo ladies we always speak like this online siya advisana kumnandi kunje how about we form groups per cities. Hayi siyithande le idea nangempela ngithi mina I'm going to form a group ye city yaseDurban ngiform a group bangena abantu ngisend link bangena abantu you know ke kuma group WhatsApp ukuthi niqala no 50 ku end up no 20 end up mhlambe ngigcine sekucomment abantu abawu5 or abawu10. That was the situation that happened ukuthi I group ya WhatsApp yethu yaseThekwini kwagcina nje kunama regulars wakhona a common a commentayo up until at some point ngoba futhi uyabona ukushima lokho nakho kuyinkinga ngokushima kwami mina ngiyayidlalela kahle ithi mina hey guys ngaze ngafa ukushima. I remember futhi at that time maybe it was maybe 2-3 years after my divorce and I was thinking I'm healing or I'm getting healing or something like that. God, I'm in progress, I'm work in progress, maybe I can start dating. So ngithi hey ladies ake nilethe omalume benu phela ngaze ngafa ukushima ngisho very jokingly on a day nje wesasizikhulumela under very general topics. And then there was this lady owayekhona egroupini athi hayibo serious ngempela ngithi mina yes athi mina matchmaker ekhaya ngizalwa nabafana nje bodwa most of my brothers nje there are 2 of them who are already married and I'm the one who hooked them up with abantu abashade nayo and they are happily married, so if you are serious I'm gonna hook you up. Abuze nje basic questions, how old are you, uhlala kuphi, uthandani nana athi mangiqeda nje masiqeda ukuphendula lo nto I already know there is an uncle of mine engizokufakela yena yabo. he's so sweet, uphansi, umuntu ozilungele, uright, abona chaza amdayisa umalume ngithi mina yibo bengidlala. Athi hayi angeke ngize ngikuye kwasa wena ngiyakubona ukuthi uright. Ngathi uright unje ungasingili kanjani? Bayaganga abantu besilisa. Ungasingili wena wonke unje. Hey, hayi ngihlisa umoya yazi ngisale sengimiyeka aqhubeka. Hayi nangempela sixhumanise. Azamsendele ngisho picture ahlanye umuntu wakhona. Hey wathini hey you look like you are a nice person kanjani sigcine sikhuluma ke. Funny enough lo malume wakhe naye sakhuluma kwaze wacishe waphela 2 years singakaze sibonane in person. Don't ask me why. Ngoba uzofind out nje very soon ukuthi why. Hayi ke malume siyaxoxa sixoxela into ezi-general nje but uyathanda ukungibiza ngamagama ukuthi siyajola anyway and anginandaba because vele umuntu engakaze ngihlangane ngishonana naye in person yabo. Kanti umuntu ungifakela umalume wakhe nje these two abaseswazini bahlala ndawonye endlini eyodwa. Lo wesifazane wasuka eSwazini wathi malume ngifuna ukuyofuna umsebenzi eSouth Africa ngoba uwena osongalapho ngicela ukuyohlala nawe. Wathi umalume woza mshana kodwa ngihlala eroomini A1 kofanele ukuthi usheshise ke into zakho zisheshe zihlangane ukwazi ukuphuma uhambe but anyway akunankinga because ngisebenzela kude ngihleze ngingekho endlini so umuntu umsebenzi omhambisa kakhulu uyahamba nje 3 4 5 days in a week uba sendlini literally 1 day once a week or 2 days mangabe off or something like that or makase living ezoguduka nakhona futhi ezoguduka hamba bheke ekhaya eSwazini. Hayi okay fine asuke lo wesifazane eSwazini usuka phi suka eSwazini uya kephi uya kohlala eThekwini ngoba uthini uyofuna umsebenzi abese on the side uzobe efunda. Bafike bahlale nomalume ukuthi ke at the end of the day umuntu wesifazane nomuntu wesilisa and ubuhlobo babo abukho that close mase kuchazwa sekushiwo sengisilandela istory later umalume nje angazi noma umalume ngoba kwakufani yabona labo malume laba because uma wakho njani kodwa egcineni kosuku isihlobo leso isihlobo asingakudeny isihlobo egcineni kosuku wagcina umalume luma ke la kumshana. Waluma komshana umalume kwaze kwamnandi ngoba phela umshana njalo mangabe umalume engekho esemsebenzini uyaclean uyaqoqa uyapheka usendele imali yegrosa usewumama uyena wenza igrosa but umalume le eSwazini emakhaya unomfazi. Umshana alunye kuze kube mnandi ukulunywa to a point whereby agcine esemnyanya umfazi. Yangizwa yini? Agcine esemnyanya usisi wabantu asemnyanyisisa lokho ukuthi usefisa ngisho ukuthi bahlukane. Hayi angihoke apho ke nomalume wakhe ke lento yethu kube ngazi ukuthi kuyinto ezokwenzeka kube ngazi ukuthi sizogcina sijola kodwa kugcine kungenzakalanga nje for some very good reasons. Kuhamba isikhathi kuze kube ukuthi ifriendship yami nomshana isi strong ngalendlela ukuthi angisasenandaba vele nomalume ngoba vele ngangingenandaba naye kodwa sengiclose kakhulu naye because umuntu nje sithi mesikhuluma siya connecta vele angithi besiconnecta groupini besakhana nase groupini so the same thing iyaqhubeka outside the group on one basis yabo. So noma efuna ama advice uyangithinta ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi nomalume ngapha side no busy ukufunele lo mshana yami umsebenzi Nkosi yami kade afika la eSouth Africa akuhlangani kwathini nithi hayi khuleka malume sizomhlanganisela lo sesi more like nje like some friends sonke so yi3 angakajoli nomalume futhi ngagcina ngajolanga nomalume kodwa sesingazi ukuthi nje singama friends kangangokuthi sasikhuluma nje almost all the time. Ngingamind naye makakhuluma ngomshana wakhe nami ngikhuluma ukuthi hey uphi uzibani bani mhlawumbe noma ngimthole efonini wayenomkhubo okuvala amadatha ngoba wayengasebenzi yabo. Umuntu nje ongayithandi ifone wayengena ngaloso sikhathi efonini nikhuluma phuma hamba futhi wayeseze explain ukuthi akasiyena umuntu oyikhonzile ifone uyangena nje lelo hour or 2 akhulume nabantu aphuma boyayivala nokuthi inkinga usuke esave idatha ngoba akasebenzi ulithengele umalume idatha. Okay, understandably so whenever avale ifone I'll even call umalume ukuthi hey awutshela uzibani banavula ifone phela awumfonela ngoba yena ngithi lo ohamba osebenzayo umalume ohleze semgwaqweni hleze ne-airtime because of the nature omsebenzi awenzayo inkampani yamnikeza imali airtime so umuntu ohleze ne-airtime so ngithi awumfonele phela umtshela avula ifone lo ngifuna ukukhuluma naye. Yazi sajwayelana guys to an extent ukuthi even ngisho ngifuna ukuthuma umuntu something mhlambe nje yabona lento ezincane othola ukuthi you are stuck emsebenzini ngoba they were staying so close to a town I would call her ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uhlele endlini akenzi lutho, ngithi awuthi gqinga apha etown, athi shwi afike etown, ngicela uhambe ungenzela ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi etown, ngimnika imali ungibuyisele ungilethele. Yabo, kwase kuyilowo muntu nje ngimthuma in that manner, mekaqeda hayi nayi 50 rand nayi 100 rand, yabo sesiclose sesingabangane in that manner. Nini ma kwi-birthday yakhe besizala ngoFebruary so-2, nini ma kwi-birthday yakhe ngimthengela nice gifts, perform ngelinye ilanga, inini ngelinye ilanga. Naye ngicabanga ukuthi ungikhonzile mina mangicabanga, I thought ukuthi ungikhonzile kanti umuntu unezinhloso zakhe zokungcola kwakhe ukuthi sekumnandi ukulunywe umalume. Yane, khamduze. Kuthe nje la ngalinye, hayi umuntu sihleli naso siphumaphi, ngamfonela that day ngizoya etown, angisazi ngangizoyokwenzani, angisakhumbuli. Kwakuzoba i-birthday yakhe, ngimphathele i-gifts, ngithi wozolanda i-gift yakhe etown. Sagcina sesihamba-ke siyo-chill workshop. Those of you who know Durban, everybody chills at the workshop, couples and everything. Sagcina sesichilla workshop, sangena estairs, sathenga ukudla, sayohlala lapha utshanini, sarelaxa, sadle ice cream, sancokola kwaze kwa-late. Ngalelo langa wazikhipha indaba umuntu. Hayi, umfazi kamalume nje bayalwa, ave ngimnyanya, kwathini. Hawu, umalume wakho unomfazi, sekucishe kuphela 2 years, angiyazi le ndaba ukuthi lo unomfazi le emakhaya. Wamenshina nje ukuthi khona umuntu ogcina ikhaya, but ekhanda lami ngoba ngangingenandaba kangawona, akuzange kuclick ukuthi umfazi lo akhuluma ngaye. Hawu, kanti lo muntu ekuthiwa ugcina ikhaya, ubheka izingane, umfazi athi umfazi wakhe, ave ngimnyanya, asho. Uma ngifika endlini, ingqondo yami iyaclick, iyathatha iyabeka, hayibo. Why would this girl azonde umfazi kamalume wakhe with the passion, umalume wakhe ahlala naye endlini, omsiza kangaka ngemali nani, ula eSouth Africa akanamsebenzi, akananex, uyahlanganisa akulungi, kodwa une-nerve yokuzonda unkosikazi walo muntu lo omnakekelayo njengoba la uwumuntu onjani. Yazini futhi. Kanti umuzonda kangaka nje sisters wife lo osemakhaya
ngenxa yokuthi sekumna kwabo phela. Okubuhlungu ukuthi yonke le ngxabano yabo sebelwa nje, sebeyaxabana, umalume useyaxabana nonkosikazi futhi bagcina behlukene ngenxa yalo mshana lo ayelumana naye umalume. Imagine. Apparently umfazi kamalume kwahamba kwafika endlebeni zakhe ukuthi lo mshana njengoba eseThekwini nje uhlala nendoda yakhe endlini, and lapho ubona engazi ukuthi sebona sekuney'chitho phakathi, wasukuma kunkosikazi. Hhayi-ke makasukuma-ke kuthiwa kwafike kwavela ebantwini engathi wahamba umuntu oney'buko, la bantu ekuthiwa vele ufike umuntu aveze ngisho into ayenzayo ngaleso sikhathi ukuganga kwenzayo. Kwavela wamkhonfranta, ila balwa khona-ke bashayana, wamhudula, wamkhiphela, wamdaxaza le kude lapho esefonela nami efuna indawo yokulala. Sekuvela ney'ndaba, ngiyibuza ukuthi mina umalume wakho uza kushaya kanganje, ukushaya nibangani? Ila kwavela izindaba zesibili-ke manje ukuthi kanti sivele siloke sehla senyuka nje kumalume vele akugcini ngokuba umalume. Umalume ngaphansi, alume ngaphezulu. Umalume ngaphezulu, alume ngaphansi. That is how it ended, in tears. The moral of the story, ayikho into ekuthiwa umngane. Hleka nje nabantu, nabantu ophila nabo, hlekisana nabo, kodwa ayikho into ekuthiwa umngane ngoba yena lo ocabanga ukuthi uwumuntu nikhonzene naye, umngane wakho uyena onama-plans ngawe futhi akade nawo. So nje, moral of the story, ayikho into ekuthiwa umngane. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And the stories that we are telling here are your experiences, my experience. It can be anybody's experiences. Kanti now you are allowed to share your experiences by sending us your story. Thank you. Have a lovely day.